Go wild for English. Unleashing the fun with Wild About. Hello, wonderful language explorers. Today, we're going to dive into a very expressive and colorful phrase in the English language, wild about. Whether you're just starting out or looking to add some flair to your English, understanding phrases like this will enrich your communication and help you sound like a native speaker. So, let's get started and find out why so many people are wild about learning English. When someone says they're wild about something, it means they have strong and enthusiastic feelings for it. Think about the word wild, untamed, free, and passionate. Now, blend that intensity with about, which indicates a subject or topic. Put them together, and you've got a phrase that means being very excited or passionate about someone or something. For example, if you say, "I'm wild about English," you're telling the world that you absolutely love the language. Let's look at how wild about can be used in various sentences. 1. My brother is wild about soccer. He never misses a game. 2. They are wild about the new restaurant in town and have eaten there 5 times already. 3. Are you really wild about that band? I've heard you play their music every day. Notice how wild about can be used with people, places, things, and activities, indicating a very positive and energetic feeling. There are a few variations and similar expressions to wild about that you might hear as well. Crazy about, she's crazy about classic cars. Mad about, he's completely mad about jazz music. Enthusiastic about, they're incredibly enthusiastic about volunteering. All these express a high level of interest and enjoyment. Although, wild about often conveys the most excitement. It's important to know the right context for using wild about. It's perfect for informal conversations and situations where you want to express your excitement in a lively and vivid way. However, in formal writing or in very serious situations, you might choose more reserved phrases such as very interested in or fond of. Now, let's practice together. Think about something you're passionate about and create a sentence using wild about. Share it with friends or in the comments below and see how this phrase can make your English more dynamic and fun. I hope you're now feeling a bit wild about adding this phrase to your English vocabulary. Remember, language learning is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's about expressing your emotions and personality. Use wild about to show your enthusiasm and make your English sound more natural. Happy learning, and until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wilderness of the English language.